It was in the summer of 2004 that I headed to the Middle East to see if there was a possibility to create a symbol of peace and reconciliation through a collaboration between Israeli and Palestinian women. Candles are symbols of peace, so it was clear that it had to be a candle that would illuminate this vision. The journey was complex, first trying to design the product and then to identify the people who would make it. Through much support on the ground, we were able to identify a family-owned candle-making facility in the hills of Nazareth that hired Russian immigrant Jewish women to produce the candles. Here we began to design the luminary candle made of beeswax and embedded with olive leaves for peace and dried everlasting flowers gathered in nearby fields. Across the checkpoints, in Bethlehem, and after meeting many Palestinian embroiderers, we arrived at the basement apartment of a master embroiderer who showed us shelves full of exquisite embroideries. Together we came up with a design for an embroidered bag that would hold the tea light. Today, the embroidered bags are put on a truck, driven across the checkpoints to Nazareth, unpacked by Israeli women who put a tea light in each bag and prepare the candles to be shipped out from the seaport of Haifa to our warehouse in central Massachusetts. The women have not as yet met each other. One day it is my dream that they will.